Well, we've made it all the way up to the head of Glacier Bay. We're sitting here in front of Marjorie Glacier. This glacier is a mile wide and about 250 feet tall. Off behind us is the Grand Pacific Glacier, covered in, oh wait!
Well, today we're in Glacier Bay National Park, and we've just come from the Grand Pacific and the Marjorie Glaciers, where we were treated to a very beautiful calving experience. Everybody was delighted to see the chunks of ice falling into the sea and giving us the great sounds of the white thunder. But we've had an incredible day in general. We have seen so much today. If you had one day to spend, this would have been one of those days. We have seen calving glaciers. We've seen mountain goats with brand newborn kids. We've seen brown bears foraging along the shoreline. We've seen puffins and stellar sea lions. It's been an incredible day, and we're not finished yet. We still have some more things to see this afternoon. It's been a great day.